We're going to show you how to print a borderless photo on your HP SmartTank 585 printer. The printer has already been set up and connected to the network, and we will use HP Smart app on our Android phone. So let's start up HP Smart. You'll notice that for the HP SmartTank, it is saying that we need to load paper. So let's load the photo paper into the paper tray. Here's how to load the photo paper into the paper tray. So this is a stack of 4x6 photo paper. You can see the watermark at the back of the paper. Pull up the paper tray and load the photo paper with the printed side facing front. Use the paper guide. The photo paper is loaded. Once the photo paper is loaded, scroll until you see Print Photos. We'll select a photo from My Photos folder. We'll select this photo. Tap on Print. Go to More Options. Make sure that the borderless is turned on. Then go back. Tap on Print to print the photo. So this is a photo that was printed from the HP SmartTank 585 printer. So this is how you print a borderless photo on your HP SmartTank 585 printer.